and welcome to Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Today I have three pledgers in Ms. Benitez's class, and their names are
Alejandro Vargas.
all right. If you could, please stand as we put your hand over your heart as we do the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United
States of America.
and to the republic for which you stand, one nation, under God, one with justice for all.
And now pledge the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos. Juro lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa.
Una nación anterior municipal todos.
Y ahora la bandera de Texas.
Una bandera de Texas, un estado.
Bajo Dios, uno indivisible. At this time, will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected. You have this right to feel this way at home, on the bus, or even during school time. Please tell a trusted adult if you do not feel safe, loved, or respected. Today, on the 14th day of January, we do not have any birthdays, so happy birthday to you. We also do not have any announcements except to remind you to please maintain your 6 feet, wear your mask where it covers your nose and your mouth, and to make sure that you wash your hands frequently. The character education theme for the month of January are perseverance and courage. The great Winston Churchill once said this about courage. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak. Courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. Are you listening at the right time? With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a wonderful Wildcat day, and you have a terrific Thursday.